Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast OPPO K10 5G smartphone into the smart TV. So before we start the video, you can subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, you need to open the quick panel. Then you need to swipe left. Then you can see the option called the screencast. So before you start the screencast, you need to connect the smart TV and your smartphone on the same Wi-Fi only. Then only it will be working. So we need to press on the screencast. Now allow some permissions. Click turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now it will search for the display devices nearby here. Now my TV is shown here, so you need to choose your own TV from the list and click start now. Now the screencasting is started, you can see. You can view your photos or videos, or you can even play game on the smart TV. So it's a very useful feature. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.